I would at least keep it for a year just to get the sign-up bonus here. The Chase Ink Preferred is currently offering a 100,000 point sign-up bonus, which is currently one of the highest offers seen to date. They've also reduced the minimum spend requirement for this card by close to 50%. We'll talk about how to get this card, some of the benefits involved, but first, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Although this is a business card, you don't need a business to qualify. When you sign up for this credit card on Chase's website, you'll be asked to put down a tax ID type. You can certainly put down your social security number instead of an individual tax ID number, which most businesses will have. The reason why you can still apply to this credit card without a storefront business is because many things qualify as a business. If you have a side hustle that generates income, such as driving for Uber, flipping items on eBay, it could be renting out a floor in your house, or you're a social media influencer who had paid brand deals, all that qualifies as a business. It could be a number of things that qualify as a business without a physical location. You can still use a business credit card for personal expenses. Most people get them to separate the business expense from the personal ones and to place all the charges on one card to make it easier when filing for taxes. Let's take a look at all the benefits and spend categories. So this card will earn 3x points on every single dollar you spend on travel, internet, cable, phone, shipping, and advertising. These spend categories are common expenses for many businesses, but I find the travel category to be very useful as it is very broad and covers a wide range of things, ranging from Ubers, airline tickets, hotel stays. If you live in New York City, it'll cover Metro cards, car rentals, and cruises. This card will also earn 5x points on Lyft just because of the partnership Chase has with them. One of the benefits of this card is that if you redeem your points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, you'll receive a 25% bonus. So let's say you receive this bonus and you have 100,000 points in your account. It would normally be worth $1,000 if you calculate it at 1 cent per point. But if you use this benefit, it would be worth $1,250. While this is a very nice perk, the real value of this card is the fact that you're able to transfer out your points to airline and hotel partners that otherwise would give you more value. I remember a few years ago, I had to book a hotel stay with Hyatt in Miami. Now that stay would have cost me over $400 per night. I was able to snag each night for roughly about 1,500 points per night. That's equivalent to about $150, but because of the value that points give you, if you transfer them out properly, I was able to get 3 cents per point, which means if I spent 100,000 points on that Hyatt stay for multiple nights, I was able to really get $3,000 of value instead of 1,000. In another similar situation, last year I had to fly out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now the cost of a flight going from Charlotte to JFK at the time was roughly about $500. I ended up transferring points from Chase to United Airlines, and the flight ended up costing me 15,000 points, which is the equivalent of $150, but the flight was $500. So I received 3 cents per point in value, meaning for a flight that cost $500, I really paid $150 in points. However, you do get the most value when you book first class and business class international flights. I've seen as high as 6 cents per point. These are just examples of why transferring to hotel partners and airline partners are more valuable than using the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. So to qualify for the sign-up bonus, you will need to spend $8,000 within the first 3 months in order to obtain 100,000 points. In the past, this credit card has required $15,000 of spend within the first few months in order to obtain 80,000 points from Chase. So although $8,000 is a lot, that's a huge drop compared to previous offers in the past. And bear in mind, this is meant to be a business credit card. So credit card issuers typically expect more spend to be put on those cards. A few other benefits this card includes is cell phone protection, up to $1,000 per year. It also offers up to $10,000 per claim for purchase protection. And that's more related to damage or theft, up to $50,000 per year. You also get a monthly GoPuff credit of $10, and that's available on most Chase credit cards. GoPuff is sort of like a grocery delivery service. It's available in large cities. I'm in New York City, so it's pretty available. And because I have 8 Chase credit cards, I get roughly about $80 in GoPuff credit every single month. The annual fee for this card is $95. It isn't the most impressive benefits card, but for a mid-tier card, it's not terrible. I would at least keep it for a year just to get the sign-up bonus here. If you're worried about reaching the spend requirements for the sign-up bonus, I would say there are a number of ways you can tackle this. Look toward any big upcoming expenses you may have. In my personal life, for example, I recently bought a new camera and a new MacBook Pro. That would have covered 75% of the spend requirements on this credit card. Some colleges allow you to pay your tuition as well using a credit card. You can pay your taxes using this card, although you will incur a fee. I think it's worth it for the sign-up bonus. You can ask close friends and family to spend on this card, and afterwards, you can have them transfer that amount in cash back to you. You can also prepay any bills you may have. There are many, many ways to tackle this. So in conclusion, if you are able to clear the sign-up bonus, I would say this is a very flexible card with a fantastic sign-up bonus. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.